Cinema 5D at IBC 2011. Sponsored by B&H, the professional source for all your video needs.
Hi, this is Sebastian from Cinema 5D, and I'm here with RYCOTE, and they have a new suspension system that looks very interesting. Tim, tell me what your suspension system is all about.
Okay, we've got a fantastic suspension system here. Works a lot better than the traditional elastic catch cradle type suspension. The way in which it works is it uses what we call Lyer Technology. The Lyer Technology refers to the U shape of the suspension system itself. So let me show you how the suspension works. For the suspension system to work effectively, what you need to do is control the movement in 3 different axes. The axes are up and down, side to side, and forwards and backwards. What the Lyer Technology does is it tightly controls the movement up and down, tightly controls it from side to side, but dampens the movement forwards and backwards, and that's what makes the suspension system work a lot better than the elastic catch cradle suspension. The other good thing with this suspension that we've got is it's made out of a material called high trail. High trail is a fantastically strong material, and it's also got a fantastic memory with it as well. So what that enables it to do is to have a consistent performance over temperature range. So you can go somewhere really cold, somewhere really hot, and it will perform in exactly the same way. Likewise as well, in a very hot or a very dry environment, it works in exactly the same way. Let me show you how strong the Lyer suspension is. As you can see, we've twisted it around a number of times there, and it just simply pings back into shape. So none of your problems that you get with the elastic suspension where it sags, it's really fiddly to replace. This will last and last and last and last, and the performance is the same on day one as it is months and years down the line. So it's a fantastic little system itself. On top of the Lyer suspension, we've got a universal mic clamp here. This takes any microphone from 19 to 25 mils in diameter, and it can either take the cylindrical mic or the slab-sided MKH Sennheiser type mic. It actually comes in part of a kit here. We bundle it together in a universal camera kit. The universal camera kit gives you a solution for wind noise, and it also gives you a solution for the handling noise. So as you can see, we have the mini screen, the wind jammer, the suspension itself. We get a 10 centimetre hot shoe extension, which allows you to get a lot more use out of the hot shoe on your camera. Get a 1/4 inch thread adapter like this here. You get a boom pole adapter, so you can put this on the bottom of your suspension, and that would enable you to put the suspension and the microphone on a boom pole or a mic stand or a tripod, anything like that. And then you also get this neat little product here, which is a camera clamp adapter. The camera clamp adapter, what that does is it enables you to mount the suspension on a traditional video camera. On the video camera itself, you get a mic clamp like this. With the camera clamp adapter, it just neatly goes into the clamp itself, like so. Gives you a cold shoe at the back there, so you can mount the suspension itself on the cold shoe. We've got a microphone in the suspension system itself here, mini screen on the front there. The suspension itself is very good as well, because what you can do with it is you can move the microphone forwards and backwards. So if you've got a nice wide angled lens on there, you want to get the microphone out of shot, you can just pull it backwards and get it out of the shot, which is a good little feature. Also, you can move the microphone to the side. You've got some movement on the side this way as well, and you can also turn the microphone to point to a different direction to which you're shooting. If you wanted to record some audio off to one side but still shoot in another direction, it gives you the flexibility to do that. The other good feature that we've got on the suspension itself is the cable clamp. Cable clamp's very important for getting the cables coming out of the microphone, clamping them in there, and it's another little feature that helps tremendously with the handling noise. And that's the universal camera kit itself. It comes in 3 different sizes, 12, 14 and 18 centimetres, and The size just relates to the length of the microphone you're using. If you go on our website, there's full compatibility charts there, and there's a microphone search facility there. So you tap in the microphone, and it'll come up with all of our products that go with that particular microphone. So it's a fantastic search facility on the website there. So universal camera kit, 3 sizes, fantastic solution for wind and handling noise.
How much is the kit?
The kit itself comes in at £120, £20 UK sterling. If you bought all the bits individually, it will come in at £170. So by bundling everything together there, we've got a neat little solution, and it's saving you quite a lot of money with it as well. So get one now. Thank you.